why pressure cooker bangus? Why do I have to pressure cooker the bangus? Oh my God, if like a sardines, my friend, you know the sardines, when you open the can of the sardines, it's soft, the bones is soft, right? So I discovered to use the Instapat. So that the bangus have a lot of wounds, you cannot eat, and it's very tricky, Every parts of the bangus have the bone is so thin like a needle. You have to clean your bangus before you put it in your mouth, or else you're gonna get it's gonna stuck on your throat, my friend. Yes, yeah. So I use Instapath, and then the bones gonna get softened, including the head. You can eat the head. My husband loves the head. He's asking because the bone, you can eat the bone, the eyes. It's so delicious.